Hi, ladies and gentlemen. We are S1 students from Lao San Secondary School. We would like to introduce Chim Sa Church. Firstly, we will tell you the history of Chim Sa Church. Secondly, we will talk about the present of this place. Lastly, we found some differences between the past and the present.
Jim Sarger was a commercial land in the past. It was very famous because the transport was very convenient. It was near the sea, so there was the staff ferry bringing people across Central and Jim Sarger in 1860. Many villages were present in the area. Infantry from the new territories were gathered as some creating Jimsager and transport to Sepai when beside there were a lot of landmarks such as Star Ferry Terminal, the Kowloon Canal Railway, Peninsula Hotel, Hong Station, and the Glass Tower.
Next is the present of Chim Sa Church. Nowadays, Chim Sa Church is also a commercial land. It is also famous now because there are many shopping malls, parks, museums, and performance venues. After Kai Tak Airport was closed, the height restructured on buildings have dropped and now larger, taller skyscrapers parallel to those of Central have constructed half the major museum in Hong Kong are situated in Tsim Sha Tsui.
In addition to this, many differences between the present and past. First, there are no museums in the past but there are many museums in which many visitors visiting them every day at present. Second, there are more lands in Tsim Sha Tsui now. Many lands nowadays came from land reclamation. It is because Hong Kong has many people, so more space is needed to build house for them to live. So the change, like land reclamation, is necessary. We think the changes are good because it brings people a better quality of life. If present citizens lived in the past of the place, we would not have enough space to live and develop. The lifestyles between the past and the present are completely different, so we think they would not like to live in the past. On the contrary, if people in the past lived at present Jim Sa Tsui, we think they will not like it. It is because they cannot fish, farm, and cannot sleep well because Jim Sa Tsui is noisy.
To summarize, we can learn a lot of things about the present and past of Jim Sarger and feel very happy to do this project. This is the end of our presentation.
Thank you very much.